Let's learn how to write Insha'Allah in Arabic. The word Insha'Allah means Allah will do it. It is used for something we plan to do in the future. The Muslims say Insha'Allah. It means Allah will do it. Allah will help me to do it. So now for learning how to write Insha'Allah, Alif comes in the beginning and then Noon for in, and for Sha it is Sheen and Alif. Hamza comes as a British shape and then Alif again for Allah, and Lam for Allah. Lams come two times and the Ha in the end. Alif and Noon come in the isolated shape for in, and Sha for Sheen join the half shape, the Alif in Sha, then comes Hamza in an isolated shape, and for Allah, Allah comes in isolated shape Alif, and the Lam in a half shape, join the another Lam in the half shape and the Ha in the end. Inshallah. For writing Inshallah in English, the for this Alif it comes for in. It's good for in. It will be I, and then Noon is N in. For Shah it is SH, combination of sound, and for A in Shah, and for Allah it is A, double L for double Lam, and A and H for Ha. Inshallah.